Hi everyone, welcome back to Undesign Craft channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to crochet a cute mini pumpkin. It's quick, fun, and perfect as a little decoration for your desktop fridge or anywhere you'd like to add a cozy touch. This is also part of my mini vegetable series, so stay tuned for more. Let's get started. So for this mini pumpkin, you just need a few simple materials. I'm using 4-ply cotton yarn from Susan's family. You can pick any color you like for your pumpkin. Then a 3mm crochet hook, a pair of scissors, some stuffing with a tool to help you push it in, and of course, a yarn needle for sewing everything together. Alright, now let's start with the body of the pumpkin. I'm using orange yarn. We'll start by making 15 chains. If you're new, here's how to make a chain. I usually don't start with the slip knot, but if you prefer, you can. Just the yarn over with the hook, then use your left hand to hold the cross part of the yarn. After that, yarn over again and pull it through the loop. That makes one chain. Keep repeating this until you have 15 chains. After making a few chains, you can gently pull the yarn tail to tighten it. But don't pull it too hard like a knot, just enough to keep the first chain neat without tying it into a knot. Now that we have 15 chains, let's start row 1. First, make 1 chain. Then, in this row, we'll be working into the back bumps of the chains. This is the chain you make for row 1. Insert the hook into second chain from your hook. Make a slip stitch. After that, we'll do 13 half double crochets. To make a half double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook into the back bump of the chain, yarn over again and pull through, then yarn over once more and pull through all the loops on your hook. That's your half double crochet. Keep working half double crochet into each stitch across until you reach the very last stitch. Once you've done 13 of those, in the very last chain, make another slip stitch. And that completes row 1. For row 2 all the way to row 20, Start with a chain and then flip your piece to the back. From here, we'll work in the back loop only. Make 1 slip stitch in the first stitch. Do 13 half double crochets across. And in the very last stitch, make a slip stitch. Just keep repeating this same pattern until you reach row 20. After you finish row 20, you'll see the piece forms a nice round curve like this. This curve will help us shape the pumpkin body later. Now that the pumpkin body is done, let's put it aside for a moment. Next, we'll work on the stem using green yarn. For the stem, start with a magic ring. Make a knot first to secure it. Then work 5 single crochets into the ring. After that, pull the yarn tail to tighten and close the ring. Then, slip stitch into the very first stitch to finish the round. Now for round 1 to round 3, we'll do the same steps. Start with a chain, then work 5 single crochets. After that, make a slip stitch into the very first stitch to close the round. Just keep repeating this pattern until you finish round 3. For round 4, start with a chain. Then, work an increase in every front loop of the stitch. That means making 2 single crochet into each front loop. Once you finish the round, slip stitch into the very first stitch to close. And that's it, the stem of our pumpkin is done. Just fasten off and leave a little yarn tail for sewing later. Next, let's continue with the pumpkin body. First, sew both edges together to form a tube shape. Then, sew across one side to close up the hole. Don't forget, before you close the other side, make sure to add enough polyester fiber for stuffing. Once the stuffing is in, close the last hole tightly. Now, grab some yarn in the same color as the pumpkin body. To shape it, pass the yarn through the center from top to bottom. Pull it a little tight and repeat this a few times around to form the pumpkin sections. After shaping the pumpkin, take the green stem we made earlier. Place it right at the top center. Sew it securely onto the pumpkin. Make sure to stitch all around the base of the stem so it stays firm and doesn't wobble. Once it's attached, fasten off and hide the yarn tail inside the pumpkin. Next, if you'd like to make your pumpkin extra cute, you can add a face. This step is optional, but it makes the pumpkin look more fun. You can use black yarn or felt pieces to make little eyes and a smile. Sew or glue them onto the front of the pumpkin, wherever you like. You can even add blush with pink yarn or felt if you want a kawaii style pumpkin. And that's it. Our little pumpkin is finished. You can keep it plain or add a cute face if you like. Super simple and so cute. You can make a bunch of them in different sizes and colors for decoration. This pumpkin is part of my veggie collection. So stay tuned because more vegetables will be coming soon. I hope you enjoyed crocheting with me today. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.